If you're getting a PayPal error on itch.io, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to buying, downloading, or supporting creators without the frustration. These are simple troubleshooting methods that solve most PayPal connection issues on itch.io, and the best part is you can try them yourself in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Let's get into it. First, refresh the page and try the payment again. Sometimes the error is caused by a temporary connection issue between itch.io and PayPal, so a simple refresh can clear it up immediately. If that doesn't work, log into PayPal again and make sure your account session is active. Sometimes PayPal needs you to sign in again before it will approve the payment properly. Next, check your PayPal balance and make sure your payment method is valid. If your balance is low or your linked card has expired, PayPal may reject the transaction and show an error on itch.io. Open PayPal directly, confirm that your account is in good standing, and verify that your preferred payment method is ready to use. If the error still appears, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old cached data can interfere with the checkout process and cause the PayPal page to load incorrectly. After clearing the cache, close your browser completely, reopen it, and go back to itch.io to try again. This often fixes stuck login states and broken checkout sessions. Another important step is to turn off your VPN if you're using one. Some payment systems flag VPN traffic as suspicious, and that can interfere with PayPal verification. Disable the VPN, refresh itch.io, and repeat the purchase or login process. If you're on a work or public network, you may also want to switch to a different connection, like mobile data or your home Wi-Fi. And if none of those steps work right away, try again later. Sometimes the problem is not on your end at all. Itch.io or PayPal may be having a temporary service issue, maintenance window, or regional outage. Waiting a little while and trying again later can be the easiest fix of all. So to quickly recap, refresh the page, log into PayPal again, check your balance and payment method, clear your browser cache and cookies, turn off your VPN, and then try again later if needed. Those simple steps resolve most itch.io PayPal errors. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also make a second video showing how to fix itch.io payment errors on mobile, browser, or desktop step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.